Hello YouTubers, I'm Leo and I'm IBM Petra student and also disciple of Professor Dr. Casey Chan. It has been 2 years since I've been taught by Professor Dr. Casey Chan and it was a wonderful and challenging year. I learned a lot from him, especially through his theory, holistic thinking. He taught me to see through helicopter view and analyzing a problem. And the result of Professor Casey teaching can be seen from this personality test, starting from learning style. So this is actually to test my personal character, and the result is I include in reflector and pragmatist with score 14, theorist 13, and activist 9. So this description is I'm a person full of energy and believe in just enough theory to get things done. Also do things conservatively, and this reflected from the score of 14 from pragmatist as the highest among the four results, and also reflection. True, I'm not activist, which is tend to do things without further thinking. I will constantly reflect on lesson learned, from example what went right and what went wrong. Since I have 14 also in uh, reflector, hence the chance of repeating the same mistake is eliminated. From entrepreneurs get test, I get result 45% that suggests that I have strength in some enterprising characteristic, but I probably unlike to set an innovative, growth-oriented global business and may be able to express my enterprise either in employment or as entrepreneur. And I have some positive side in creative tendency, or I have high creative tendency, and I also calculated risk taking, and I probably be happiest with tried and tested enterprise idea, less risky enterprising idea or business idea where a partner takes the risk. And so the conclusion that I have some entrepreneur's quality, but I have to develop my self-confidence and enterprising skill to make a success on the future. In Belbin 9 team score, I also included in innovator. The innovator is often described like creative generator of the team. So it's aligned with the previous entrepreneurship get test where I have high score in creative tendency. In Big 5 personality test, in openness to experience or intellect, I am typically down to earth person and conventional. In conscientiousness, I have to do things somewhat hard, certainly. And in extraversion, I also score low, which probably enjoy spending quiet time alone. In agreeableness, I am neither extremely forgiving or irritable. In neuroticism, you probably remain calm in tense situations. So, in conclusion, I might be the best leader, not the best leader, but I can keep calm in tense situation and create conductive environment. So probably I'm suitable with constant daily work than unclear and challenging environment. And the last test, leadership self-assessment. From the self-assessment, I found that I'm good at aligning people. Score 60. And this means it's easier for me to gain support for a vision and establishing strategies for achieving that vision. My second best score is leading change and motivating and inspiring with score 50. This means I seek out new opportunities and solutions by looking for better ways to get the job done and by thriving on change. and continuous improvement. I also look at energizing people to achieve a vision and produce needed change. Now that I have a better understanding of my strength and weakness, I can proceed to plan for my self development and go to my career path and future skills. Referring to entrepreneurship get tests that I suit the best with entrepreneur, and to achieve my dream I should develop my self-confidence and enterprising skill to make a success in starting a business. So in the end, I want to thanks to Professor Casey Chan that helped me to shape to increase my skill, especially my creativity and leadership capability. So that's all about me. Hope this video helped viewers to know and develop yourself to be a better person. So Merry Christmas and bye.